It is always a great pride and honor to be given the task of introducing a person who is not only worthy of emulation because of her achievements in life, but mostly because she was once like us. She built her dreams inside this very school. She walked the same halls, entered practically the same rooms, and played on the same grounds. Today, she comes home to us, to grace us with all her presence, to share with us her story, and inspire us to work hard to achieve our dreams, no matter how difficult the road may be. Our guest speaker for today, an alumna of Senior High School, Tacol Agricultural High School, batch 2017-2018, graduated with honors. A graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English at Southeastern College of Padada, Davao del Sur. Took the licensure examination for teachers last September 2023. With a God grace, she passed the licensure examination for teachers. She is a teacher of English as a second language and United States of America-based company on September 2021 and present. Moreover, she currently teaching students online from Asian countries like Japan, China, Thailand, and Vietnam. In Europe countries like Poland, Ukraine, Italy, Germany, France, Switzerland, Spain, etc. And South America like Brazil, Chile, Colombia, and Peru. During her journey in work as second language teacher in English in Spratly Japanese company on February 2021 to September 2021, she was awarded as the best tutor, English trainer, top 1 tutor for profile appeared in search globally, top 2 in the total number of trial lessons taught, top 3 in the number of student subscribers out of 30,000 tutors, top 1 in the number of potential students with over 6,000 lessons taught, and 120 outstanding profile reviews from students internationally. She is a home-based call center agent in Green Hub, US-based company as Human Resource Customer Interaction Associate and received multiple awards. Best in Calling Handling, Best Seller in Notary Campaign, and Best Agent of the Year. Today, she comes back to the arms of Tacol Agricultural High School, already a full-fledged professional with a lot of experiences up her sleeves. Her life was not a walk in the park, but the hardships she was able to overcome are the main reasons why she is with us today. May we be inspired by her life with the hopes that 10 or 20 years from now, it will be one of this year's graduates who will be inspiring those who will come after us. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome with a round of applause our guest speaker for today, Jeremy Fair Pizania, LPT.
Good morning, everyone. Maayong buntag. I am touched by this honor and grateful for this opportunity to stand here today facing these beautiful and handsome graduates, teachers, and parents. Nalipay ba mo nga naa mo diri karon? Mas karami, nalipay ba mo? Yes! Dapat lang. So dapat lang man siguro yung una mahuman, ani. But look at you now. You are where you are. Ay, naako'y nakitaan nga video ba? Naglingkod siya sa lamisahan. Then ana siya o nagyaw-yaw siya kay sa thesis defense, first question pa lang daw ni Sir Buddy, ni consume na og 30 minutes. Kinsa man to? President ninyo? Oh, wala ko naging una kasi Peter Caminade Jr. Without joke-joke lang na siya, Peter ha. Nagreklamo man po mi sa una. O reklamo po mi sa una. Kunya, normal rin ang reklamo. Ang dili normal, ang kanang dili mo kaon sa saktong oras. Kaya mapas mo ka. Joke lang. Without joke-joke lang na siya, Peter ha. Kahot may adong kay Katrina. Sigat nga ko mo sa gate, silingan ng bayanta. Okay. I am so proud of you. And I mean it when I say, you must feel this momentous day of your life. You are lucky and blessed to sit where you belong. It is sad to say that not everyone has this privilege to be here. Some may have financial problems, emotional, mental, and some are battling with life and death. I am talking about my cousin, April Jane Pizania Tana. I know she's the happiest person in heaven now because she wants me to be here. And seeing me here today, facing her batchmates, friends, and classmates, finally looking glam with your makeup on, and boys looking so sharp. Amidst all of those sleepless nights, full of doubt moments, whether they can get the diploma or not. Those crowning days of finding the RRL of the studies. Those overthinking of what would be the answer to those quizzes, exams, thesis defense, until finally, one of your puhon is happening right now. Right at this moment. Oh, nakahinugtok mo no? Muna siya itong ginatawag na hinugtok of joy. 6 years ago, I sat where you sit, feeling excited o nagpanikad na moadtog college. But before I tell you about my college journey, let me tell you about who I am. I am not by my name, nor by my achievements, but I am who I am because of my story. Medyo taas-taas ba yan ni Sir? Busog na na. I am a product of a broken family, as some of you here. I've never seen my dad since I was an infant, so yes, napako sa tiyan sa kong inahan, wag yun ko itag dagway sa ako ang papa. Pero iwan akong mama nga, kung manapit na daw ko, mura daw may dagway. Ngilingin no, brad tabaw. But anyway, so I don't even have a picture of him. You know, the fact that I was longing and yearning for a father's love, and then one day, that was my 13th birthday. Finally, we met and talked. Not knowing that that was the last day that I talked to him. I remember the phrase he said, "Skwila jud na. Skwila jud, para dili ka sama na ko, nga mugawon ra sa mga tao, kay walay naabot." So ako, nalipay ko kay syempre, after 13 years, nitungha akong amahan. Nanay mo tabag sa ako ang gasto pa eskwela. Pero unfair kaayo ang life. The second time I met him, sayahan ang haya. Yes, it was in his burial. So anak ko, unsaon man din ako pagtiwasag high school. Nga, nigon ba ya ako mama, dili na siya kapaiskila na ako, kay wak man may kwarta. Unya, ako nga gusto mo eskwela, ni trabaho sa poultry Pilihan, Pigirihan, Bantay Bata 163, Manghagdaw, Manguha og Putog, Charla. So for almost a year na ako to gibuhat para makatigong o para makatiwas og high school. Pero unfair gihapon kayo kay bisag unsaon na akong paningkamot, di jud muuyon ang kapalaran. Niana akong mama, ayaw nagpangandoy nga muhuman ka kay pobre raman ka. Kunya ako nga gahig ulo, giingnan siya nga, ma, ubali lang ko. Wala lagi kay gasto na ko, maningkamot man kuma. Then nagpa-enroll ko sa Takol Agricultural High School. Og dire nagsugod ang kagol o kalipay. Baklayo na ako from crossing niya San Isidro to Takol. So yes, baklayo na ako na. Medyo layo-layo yun, pero naman tayo pangandoy. So baklayo na ako, maglukto og gulay, prutas, maruya, suroy-suroy, padulong sa eskwelahan. 3 a.m. pa lang, mata na ko, mang-harvest og tanong sa palibot, o pati sa silingan nga tanong. No joke na naman. Bitaw, 3 a.m. I woke up, mang-harvest og islay sa tag-J's or tag-5 ang mga gulay. Then nung doon ako na padulong sa eskwelahan. Padulong sa eskwelahan, niya tanan nga balay nga maagian tuktukon sa sa buntag. So baklay na buntag, hapon sa mahurot ang akong baligya inig-abot sa eskwelahan. Then, there were times nga napulaan na ang mga tao nga sige kong pamaligya. So wala na dyan ni, tinako kahumag eskwela. So padayon na gihapon ko, padayon ako baklay, usahay, walay sulod ang tiyan, dito pra. Baklay gihapon, mga pudpud na lang ang sinila sa sigig baklay. Maayo gani kay naay mga buutan nga maestro diri sa Takol Agricultural High School nga magpasakay na ko og libre. So there are many to mention. Bulantik ko nga walay bayad, pero grabe kabuutan ang mga teachers diri jud. Dili mo hatagan og line of 7 nga grado. Tinuod ba? Yes? No? Bitaw, dili mo tagaan og line of 7 nga grado kay bagsak diretso. Joke lang na siya. So yes, padayon ang akong fast forward, after 4 years sa pagbaklay-baklay o pagsakay-sakay nga libre, abin ako humana na. Pero here comes the K-12. So yes, first batch me sa K-12. So padayon gihapon ang akong pagbaklay para makalahutay. Maayo gani kay si Ma'am Emily nagitag working student sa iyang panimanan. So si Ma'am Emily ang itindog nga akong ginikanan for a year lang kay niundang ko, naulaw ko sa iya ay pila ra may pagpanimlig, panglimpyo niya, higda-higda na dayon. So pag undag na ko kay Ma'am Emily, ang akong mga iyaan, mga OFW, ang misuporta sa ako ana sila nga, pangitag boarding house sa Takol. Niya ang pinakabarato nga boarding house diri sa una, tag 300. So naapa ko'y 200 nga pampalit sudan, bulag, noodles, itlog, ug unsa pa na ang mga mata nga magdugay para dili ko magukman. Total, nabitaw kamunggay sa silingan. Magyaw-yaw na namang silingan sa boarding house sa una. So moto, focus ko sa akong pag-eskwela, unya, ang atong mga maestro, hilig kayo ng mag-pressure. Kinsa ba nagpa-pressure ninyo? Mahal ko lagi mo. these senior high memories. I graduated here 2018, sitting there, listening to speeches, and I delivered also a speech. I know for sure it wasn't a valedictory speech kay senior high naman to, so big honor ko. The moment after this ceremony, I told myself, okay, it ends here. I took a deep breath and have some thoughts that wala na yun. My academic journey ends here. Kay gasto ang college. Then God is really good. It was summer. I was applying for a call center job and fresh pa man kay sa ako ang mga pangutana nila Sir Buddy, Ma'am Hanea, kinsa pa tong mga panel namon sa mock job interview sa una. So, I did the interview. That was my first real job interview and I passed. So, nagtrabaho na ako sa call center just a week after I graduated senior high. So, just a week lang after ko ni-graduate diri. Then, I had my first salary. So, yes, naano ko ay pambayad sa tuition. Although, nailibre nga eskwelahan sa DSSC, formerly SPAMAS, pero dili akma sa ako ang oras sa trabaho. And I love my job. So, I decided to find another school nga akma sa ako ang free time, but dili siya libre nga eskwelahan. That's in Southeastern College of Padana. I enrolled there, and luckily, they gave me 50% discount. Kay nakaluyanan po no, dagko po to graduate rin pag high school. Then the rest, I needed to pay for the transportation, foods, rent, kanyan naaman po yung mga unique-pass nga scholar. So the struggle was real since I had 2 masters at a time, studying and working. So I went to school in the morning and then inikabuntag magtrabaho ko inikabuntag may skill ako and gabi mo trabaho ko sa BPO. So sometimes I doze off like magduka na dyan ko since I need to travel from Digos to Padada. Ana ganing mura na kag zombie pag abot sa eskwelahan. Nga lami kaya itulog ko niya, makatulog dyan ko. Nya na ba yung mga maestro nga stricto ginagmay. So ako nga natulog, kalitong natagtawag, pisan niya. Di, mata dayon ko. Unya, mga na dayon ko, murason, best in rason yun kayo ko sa una. Mga na ko sa akong professor nga, wala man ko natulog, sir, nagpiyong-piyong naman ko, naminaw ako. Mga na dayon siya, okay, let me ask you a question. Wala na, patay na. May galing kay hindi ko basa-basa. So, nako tayo mga brain cells ginagmay nga nitabang sa ako ha. So, pag first year college na ako, grabe jud ang struggle. Pero di sa struggle ko no, I still maintain a really good grade. Enough to be a magna cum laude. Sana. Until nag-abot-abot ang problema. That was second sem. Si mama mo ato sa boarding house mga yung pambugas, pambayad sa eskwelahan, sa ako ang mga manghud, kunya, wala ko'y mahatag. Kay bago ra ko nagbayad sa eskwelahan, I felt stressed, depressed, pag dili ko makahatag sa akong ginikanan. Ug naapot ning gugmang giatay nga nagapil-apil. Kaila silang mamugsirato. Plus, problema sa trabaho, kay lisod i-handle ang mga call sa Amerikano. So ako, nawala ko sa focus. I had a suicidal thought. I wanted to end my life. I had anxiety, depression, like I didn't know what to do. Because after all, nakaanak ko, grabe jud ka-unfair sa kinabuhi. So I tried to kill myself. Yes, I tried to kill myself. Not once, not twice, but many times. The last thing I remember, nitapo ko dira sa eskwelahan sa Padada, 6 lane, highway. Then I closed my eyes and wanting that at least a truck or a bus would hit me. And then problema. Yung sao na lang po ng mga asawa ni driver no. So, ano na ko, kung lisod ang kinabuhi, dapat isuka. Life's tough, but I am tougher. Yes, God sent His angels to me, and I met my high school teacher. Pagkakita na ko niya, gikalit na ko siya gapos anak ko. Sir, salamat sir, kay nakit-an ka. Wala ko laing maistoryahan, kundi ikaw lang sir. Unya, kani si Sir Jones Bayona, panira moment po tayo. Kay natingala siya, nga nung gigapos na ko siya. Ana siya, day, kadali lang day. Na akong asawa sa gawas. Naghulat. Masig makita na to, lahit na ang una-una. So nauna ko, didistansya ko gamay, ana siya. Nagdali ko kay naapa ko'y nakaw. Nag-earn ako unit diri sa SC. Pero willing ko maminaw sa imong problema. Unya, giistorya na ako sa iya hatanan. And I felt really gaan kay sa pamati, knowing someone nga maminaw sa imuha. And his advice really helped me a lot. God sent someone to heal me. Thanks to Sir Jones Nover Bayola. He's in the US right now, but he was also a teacher here sa Tacol. Since then, I realized na life has so much to offer. You just need to get out of the dark and reach out to your loved ones. So I was healed, but not completely, as it took a year para mahig ang inyong Disney princess. Then I met my fiancé, karon, bigyan sa una. Tambay na siya, tambay sa akong dughan. Charis lang. Sana all. So anyway, I met him. He's also the reason, he's one of the reasons for my complete healing. So, nagpadayon ko og eskwela, og trabaho. But life, again, life is not life without problems. Kapait sa kinabuhi, pait pas panyawan. I was diagnosed with episcleritis. It is when the sclera of your eyes misused, abused, mistreated, misunderstood. Charis. Basically, naigat sa ako ang mata, nagikapoy og niburot. So, niburot siya og nihubag og kagutuhon ang ugat sa ako ang mata. Then the doctor told me I should stop studying or working. Isa lang ang dapat pilion, eskwela or trabaho. Unsa man akong gipili?
Eskwela.
Isa lang? Unsa, eskwela, trabaho?
Yeah.
Nalibog mo? Ako po dato nalibog. So, ang gipili na ako ang eskwela. Wala man ko diri karon, wala ko kahuman. So, I quit my job sa BPO o nipadayon ko og eskwela. Ang gagastos ako for 3 months, 3 months lang, kaya ako ang fiancé. I am not saying nga, makuyapod mo para na yung gastos sa inyo ha. Very wrong pa kayo na. You must be independent. And I hated that moment kaya nawala akong pagka-independent, strong woman. Then after 3 months of no gadgets, no screens, no work, luckily, dili na kinahanglan operahan ang ako ang mata kay okay na siya. Thank God. Kunya ako, hindi ko research about these home-based tutors. Wala man ko'y laptop, wala ko ko'y internet. So naghiram ko laptop sa ako ang iyahan, nag-research ko, and then I had my interview. First, home-based job na ako kay sa Chinese company. Then ihawak ko, nisipog ko sa Japanese company. Natanggal ko sa Japanese company, tungod lang sa manok sa silingan, na lamig kayo tungkod. Pero ano nila, if one door closes, another door opens. Currently, God gave me a company na murag ako ang boss. Mga klase ko anytime, anywhere, makanin ko Gratitude ang blessings ni Lord sa akwa. Commit your work to the Lord and your plans will establish. Right now, gikaluyan ko, I'm helping my siblings with their studies. Naanak ko'y komportable nga balay. Gamay na lang ang kulay para mahuman na. Nakapalit na po yuta, ginagmay, isa sa magsaysay o isa sa tigos. Mapalit na nako ang ako ang gusto, mga provide sa family, o kung sa una nagtrabaho ko sa pultrihan, pigirihan, now I pay someone to work for me sa ginagmay na negosyo. Nagadawat na ko pinda, so dili na ko kinahanglan manghagdaw. Kung sa una gabaklay-baklay ko, karon gabaklay-baklay gihapon. Lain sad mo kung magkamangka, bitaw, narakot tayo nga second hand kasakyanan. Second hand lang siya, pero komportable sad mi kay wala kami ibilin sa dalan. Unya, maka-travel out of town na ta. Kasakay-sakay na tag-aeroplano, and I hope one day maka-travel out of the country kung itugod sa kahitasan. If dati, mga bata ako ang ginatuluan, karon all are working professionals. Pag-international na, awards sa akong nadawat. All glory belongs to God alone. I know wala ko'y dapat ikapanghambog, kay ang kaning tanan, gihatag, o kaya kuhaon sa Ginoo anytime. So last na dyan. From nothing to a better life. If life is bitter, kung pait kayo ang kinabuhi, then make it better. So see, naay rason ang tanang hinanakit, kakapoy, o mga sakit nga kaagi. Most of the teacher here knows what I've been through. That I came from nothing, as in walang-walang Diyod. Ingnon kasi mga silingan nga, maglisod man galing og palit o bugas mais, mangantoy pa ka, mamuhumag eskwela. But what I only have is the faith in God, determination, perseverance, and hard works. God rewarded me. And surely, God will reward you. You just need to trust His process. One, ang mamudayan mo, asa man dahil na i-proseso, uy, kadugay ba? Paghulat. It will come to you in the right time. Right time? Naday right time? Right person raman siguro. Char. Dito, kung mayroon mo nga, pwede ba na ninyo ato ng right time? No, you can't. It's already written in your fate. If you're tired of your life, kung ikapoy na mo sa inyong kinabuhi, you can be. You still have your ginikanan nga nang kubal ng kamot sige panghurnal, panalo, o unsa pa na ilang sakripisyo nga ipakita sa inyo ha, sukliin ninyo. Sukliin ninyo as soon as possible. Try to think na while you're getting older, your parents magkatigulang po. Some people ginaingnan ko nga, bata pa kayo ka, Jeremy, relax lang. Ayaw palabi, 25 years old pa ka. So yes, I am just relaxing, but I'm so sorry, this is my way of relaxing. Well, most of my batchmates, classmates, and friends are still struggling to find a job or to finish their studies. But I always tell them, life is not a race. Dili lumba ang kinabuhi. Nakasulat na tanan sa inyong kapalaran ug sa inyong determinasyon sa pagkabot sa inyong pangandoy. 6 years ago, I graduated, you work hard. And when there's no one who believes in you, then you must believe in yourself. When someone says, "Pubrira ka, ayaw sig pangandoy," then say, "Libre mangandoy." I'm gonna leave you with the equation dreams plus hard works plus learning from failures over prayers equals success. If I can, then you can. Kung kaya na ako, kaya ninyo. Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya. Kayahon. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jennifer Pisania, LPT, for the encouraging and inspiring message. May the lessons learned from our guest speaker ignite your passion and guide you on your incredible journeys ahead.
At this moment, we would like to give you the certificate of recognition and a plaque. I am also requesting the presence of Sir Julan and Domingo to answer Herman Aldous Budiki to do the honor. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 11, Division of Davao del Sur, Magsaysay South District, Tacol Agricultural High School. This certificate of recognition is hereby presented to Jeveremy F. Pisania, licensed professional teacher, in grateful acknowledgement of her meritorious and commendable service as honored guest speaker during the 7th graduation ceremony of Tacol Agricultural High School Senior High School with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas, serving as an inspiration to our graduates and to the success of this graduation ceremony. Given this 29th day of May 2024, at Tacol Gymnasium, Tacol Magsaysay, Davao del Sur, signed by our Master Teacher 1 and Senior High School Coordinator, Ken Ray A. Bali, signed Head Teacher 2, the School Head of Tacol Agricultural High School, Julan and Domingo. Thank you so much, Bahan Sir.
To fully express how grateful she is, let us hear words of gratitude from Sun Will Shine being Sarda with honors. A round of applause.